Friends, today we are going to discuss about all plants in my house. There are very different plants in my house. So today we are going to discuss about these all plants. The first plant is coconut. The coconut tree is a member of the palm tree family. The names come from the old Portuguese. Coco means head or skull. It is one of the most useful trees in world. It provides food, fuel, cosmetics and etc. This is a coconut tree. And this is one more coconut tree. And the second one is lily plant. Its scientific name is Lilium, but we call as lily. Lilies are a group of flowering plants which are important in culture and literature in much of the world. Many other plants have lily in their common name but are not related to the true lilies. This is first lily tree and this is another lily. Third tree is Tulsi. Tulsi is cultivated for religious and traditional medicine purposes and also for its essential oil. It is native to the Indian subcontinent and widespread as a cultivated plant throughout the Southeast Asian tropics. And the fourth one is money plant. This plant is also called as devil's vine because it is almost impossible to kill and it stays green even when kept in the dark. And it is commonly known as money plant in many parts of the Indian subcontinent. And the fifth plant is aloe vera. It is found in many consumer products including skin lotion, cosmetics and etc. It originates from the Arabian Peninsula but grows wild in tropical climates. It is cultivated for agricultural and medicinal uses. The species is also used for decorative purposes. And the sixth plant is guava. Guava is an evergreen shrub or small tree. It is a common tropical fruit cultivated in many tropical and subtropical regions. And the next seventh plant is dragon. Dragon is a large fruit. It has its origins in Mexico, South America and Central America. These are dragon plants. The next plant is rose. A rose is a woody flowering plant. Flowers vary in size and shape and are usually large and show in colors ranging from white through yellows and reds. Different species hybridize easily and this has been used in the development of the wide range of garden roses. These are rose flowers and these are rose plants. This is a rose flower. The next plant is Parijat. The word Parijat refers to Indian coral tree and night flowering coral jasmine or simply fragrance. This is Parijat tree. And the next tree is mango. The mango tree is a native to South Asia from where it has been taken to become one of the most widely cultivated fruits in tropics. It is harvested in the month of March until the end of May. It is the national fruit of India and national tree of Bangladesh. And the next tree is fennel. Fennel is a flowering plant species in the carrot family. It is a hardy herb with yellow flowers and feathery leaves, and it is also called as somp tree. And the next tree is chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum, sometimes called mums or chrysanths. They are native to East Asia and northeastern Europe. Most species originate from East Asia and the center of the diversity in China. And this is called in Telugu as chamanti. And the next tree is grape. A grape is a fruit, botanically a berry of the deciduous woody vines of the flowering plant genus Vitis. Grapes can be eaten fresh as a table grapes or they can be used for making wine jam, grape juice, jelly, grape seed extract, raisins, vinegar, and grape seed oil. And the last tree is lemon tree. The lemon, citrus lemon, is a species of small evergreen tree in the flowering plant family Rataceae, native to South Asia, primarily northeastern India. So friends, today we discussed about the different plants in my house, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.